And so that would be my equation. So let's try example 11. So here I just always start by writing our general form 2 times. This is x, this is y, x and y. So for the first one I have negative 4 is equal to a, x is 2. And then the next one is negative 16 and x is 4. I want to divide them using the highest exponent of b as my numerator. So negative 16 divided by negative 4 is 4. My a's become 1. B to the 4th divided by b squared is b squared. Solve for b. Take the square root here, so we get b is equal to 4. We need to substitute our answer into one of the two equations. I'm going to go ahead and use the first one. So b is, I'm sorry, this should be a 2. So b is 2 squared divided by 4. So a is negative 1. So my equation here is y equals negative 1 times 2 to the x power. And let's move on to the next example. Same idea. Y is equal to abx. Y is equal to abx. So here, the first one, y is 2, and x is 1. Y is 6, and x is 4. So if I divide, 6 divided by 2 is 3. B to the 4th divided by b1 is b cubed. I can take the cube root on both sides. So b is going to be equal to the cube root of b. So if you put this in your calculator, we would have 1.44. I'm going to just round to 2 decimals. If you enter it in your calculator, make sure that you're using parentheses. So for example, on my phone calculator, let me bring it up, I would enter 3 raised to the power of the cube root. I don't have that symbol on my calculator, but I know that a root can be written as a fraction, so I can say 1 divided by 3. And so I get 1.4422. I'm going to round to 2 decimals. Once you have your b, then we need to plug it back in. I'm going to use the first equation. So I'm going to divide by 1.44. And that comes out to 1.39. So my equation is 1.39 times 1.44 to the x power.